What was the first coding language you learned? That's what React.
First, hmm. Well, my first I'd say was C sharp,
C#.
but how I started was with scripting. So like I was into you know emulation Game Boy and stuff. So I was scripting Pokemon games, making custom scripts in there. That's how I started out. And then that kind of it wasn't really a programming language, it was more so scripting, but it did like translate a bit to learning picking up programming. So I really owe I really owe credit to like that early experience.
Yeah, see, guys, this is hard. Like answering questions while trying not to fall off a cliff.
Yep.
Very mental fatigue. Let's see. Like this one for me. What apps pay us daily? So apps that pay us daily would be number one, Shopify. Number two, OneTapAI.com. Pays me passive income for
Almost
life.
fell there, man.
Yeah, I saw that. OneTap AI. Also, TradingView. Trading with TradingView pays daily. And you can use Robinhood as your platform, whichever one you guys personally choose. But I would say if you want cash like ASAP really fast, I would go with OneTap AI. It's the best paying app. OneTapAI.com. It's a web app, but that's really paying me the best right now. Easiest way to earn. What's the easiest way we ever earned money online? Again, it's gonna sound repetitive, guys, but OneTapAI.com is the easiest way I've ever earned money because I printed out a book in 20 minutes. Had a book on Amazon where people were buying it in 20 minutes, and you do that for 8 hours a day. You got 3 books an hour. 3 times 8 is 24 books a day. And then in 10 days, you got 240 books. And it's passive income for life, so it's the easiest way to make money. I know of. I shouldn't really be giving away for free. Like, a lot of people in the group are kind of mad that I gave that away for free, but I just want to make sure you guys get value, you know what I'm saying? So, that's crazy. You jumped on the roof. And we're approaching the hour mark. I think that's. Someone asked about Code Monkey. What do you think about Code Monkey? They said.
Sometimes it's hard to
Code
choose the right
monkey.
path, but don't be afraid. You can always
It
repeat.
depends what
We
they
learn
mean
from
by
our
that.
mistakes.
There's different things because like Cold Monkey is a joke. Someone that does programming for Java, and then there's also the browser extension, you could say, that allows you to inject custom scripts into a website. So yeah, I did use a Code Monkey, so yeah, I'm a fan of that. But in terms of
You gotta be more specific on your question.
yeah,
So yeah, you guys gotta ask that question.
Sometimes it's hard to choose the right path, but don't be afraid. You can always repeat. We learn from our mistakes.
What's the easiest thing to code? So it's like,
easiest thing to code.
yeah.
easiest
for a
and
beginner?
so for a beginner, I think easiest thing to code would
That they can bring to market, I guess they want to sell it.
that they want to sell.
Yeah.
Hmm. I don't know if a beginner would be able to make a. Well, nah. Actually, yeah, there is. If you have a website idea, I think it's definitely doable. You might need the assistance of, like, say, AI if you're absolute, because if you don't, if you're in a rush, I'm saying. But if you have time to learn, then yeah, definitely like a website idea where you're preferably selling a product. So like an e-commerce website would be good to start off. Um, if you're more
So,
advanced, definitely like a software that incorporates AI into it.
so there you guys have it.
Huge profit.
There you guys have it.
Yo,
Anything you want to say to the people?
thanks for the support, man. Thanks for the love.
We're family. Love y'all.
We're gonna continue to keep getting bigger, growing, developing.
And if you guys like this video, we'll do more videos where we, play games and answer you guys' questions through Q&A.
Mm-hmm.
It's tough. This game was a tough one.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of mental focus while trying to use mental focus to answer the questions. Just like really mentally fatiguing. But we hope you guys like this video a lot.
Yeah, sure.
Pull the barcode real quick. I want to show you them real quick.
Alright, guys, let me make sure you can see it.
Alright, so right there in the middle, you guys can scan that barcode right there, and right here, right below my finger, you can scan this barcode right here, and you can not only enter our giveaways where you might win the knowledge you need, books, courses, everything. You can enter our giveaways and win stuff, win cash to help you start a business and stuff like that. Trying to make it fun. We email a winner every day. But you can also join the Real Bros Millionaire Club. And then $5 a month, you join the Real Bros Millionaire Club, and now you got 2 great mentors who can help you make money online and get you to your goals. And then we also got the $50 a month plan where if you're trying to make really big money, like $50K a month, we can mentor you on a really advanced topics. Also, if you don't want to do any work but you want to make money, we got the Done For You service where we build a business for you. So you can scan that code, go to the website, I'll include the links, but we'll build a business for you, and you'll be making passive income, just sitting back, collecting checks, and we do that for you too. So you can scan that code and go to the store, the main profile page, you'll see that product. There's other businesses, courses up there, books. It's like secret knowledge that that come from us specifically. So you won't be able to get it anywhere else, but you can scan that code, check out our store. If you guys want merch, the links are below. We're coming out with some really fire merch for the family, and that's it. We're in the stream playing the game, and then I'll let Books end it out.
So yeah, definitely check out the QR code if you haven't. And once again, I do want to thank you guys for the support, all the comments, all the loves. Like, see right here, F the haters. Yeah, man, the haters, I'm with you there. We do have some big things planned
You won't make it.
in the future, so do stay tuned. And any more questions? Yeah, there.
Let's see if I can any more. Let me check the other networks. My bad, guys.
Yeah.
Every other network. I was just checking. Say, what's your top 3 favorite tech companies?
Top 3 favorite tech companies?
Yeah.
That's tricky. Top 3.
I know my top 3.
Well, I don't know if this counts as tech. What is Game Tech Steam?
Yeah,
I do like that. I do like what they have with the Index, their VR thing. Let's see. So yeah, Steam for one. I want to say, because yeah, I really am interested in that VR AR tech, so I am gonna go with Meta. I'm curious to see what they're gonna do with
Meta's giant.
yeah, I'm really curious to see what they're gonna do in the future. And third,
That's tough now.
yeah, the third is tough.
Yeah,
There's so many, yeah, because
I
there's
already
like
know
so
there's
many.
some giants left.
Yeah, there's so many giants. But
Yeah, that's a tough question, man.
yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Apple right now.
Sorry Tesla, sorry Elon.
Yeah, sorry, but I'm really curious to see what Apple's planning to do with that Vision Pro goggles.
Yeah, I'm
So-
kinda curious too, actually. I'll put
Shout out them.
Elon's coming in at 4 for Tesla, SpaceX.
Mhm.
Doing some great things over there too. But
Yeah.
Neuralink is coming out.
Oh yeah, Neuralink. We'll see.
Yeah,
Sounds
I would
bad.
hack. Yeah, I would. Let us know in the comments what you guys think of Neuralink. We're probably gonna do a video on Neuralink. We're gonna do a video on it, talking about it, and giving some doing our research on it, and then you guys know.
Yeah.
So we can't wait to do that video. It's gonna be really fun.
Yo.
We're gonna do that. We did the Apple Vision Pro Vision video. We'll do some videos breaking down Meta in the future. We'll do some company breakdown videos. We'll be sure to do. Yeah. Slow mo turning corners is crazy.
Right. Sweet.
All right, guys, we're gonna try to be at the top. Oh.
Yeah, we'll see.
Let me check for more questions.
Alright.
We'll do questions until he falls. If he falls, he might hit the top. So we'll just keep doing questions, guys. And then coming in. Hey, Kicks, what up?